Hello and welcome everyone to the Commodity Report for the 20th of January 2023, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So with that, we currently have gold prices, they're breaking back above 9-month highs. We've reached $1,920 US per ounce. Alongside that, we've also got crude oil prices. They're currently breaking out to $82 US per barrel. In fact, with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club this week, we took the opportunity to lock in further profits over our multiple positions on oil that we built into now. In the first 2 weeks of January, we banked 4,000 points profit. You've seen crude oil prices, they're broken out on Thursday over 3% for the week. They are up 5% and they're broken out to 2-week highs. All of this we continue to talk you through. Feel free to go back and watch all of our reports from the start of the year where we talked you through this buy opportunity on the metals and the energies to capitalize into the new year and the typical playbook that you get for commodities, especially gold and also crude oil for the month of January. All of that, of course, has played out with oil prices. They're breaking out to 2-week highs, and gold obviously breaking out to 9-month highs at the moment. So yet again, I hope that many of you have absolutely crushed it alongside our clients at the Gold and Silver Club and are banking a windfall amount of profit this week, with oil currently surging up to the highest levels that we've seen so far in 2023. So with that, what can you expect moving forward? Well, going back to a report at the beginning of the week, the first thing, you need to be very aware of this. Next week, you do have China on a 1-week public holiday. So during Asia Pacific session next week, you're going to get thinner liquidity in the market. And often this can provide you with an opportunity to get better prices for commodities. So you may well see more profit taking at the end of this week. And then going into next week, if you do see any further pullbacks, I'm looking at buy opportunities across multiple commodities as we go into next week. We've seen platinum and silver prices under pressure over the last few days. Platinum prices over this week, they're down over 4% so far. We've seen silver prices drop over 2%, and I'm looking at opportunities if we do see further pressure to the downside going into next week, with China off on their 1-week public holiday. Again, you may see more exaggerated moves and pressure, lack of demand just for next week. When China are off on their 1-week public holiday, I'm looking at opportunities to scale in and build out further positions at lower prices. So I would look out for that. With capital flows next week likely to be limited, with China on their 1-week public holidays, opportunities to buy at lower prices. Now, we still have a number of positions we've established on commodities over the first few weeks of January here to capitalize on further upside going into next week. We can definitely benefit from that. But again, if we do get further dips, I would definitely look out for opportunities. As we go into the first week of February, there's so many back-to-back trade opportunities for you to capitalize on. You do not want to miss out. We'll have the very first FOMC statement of the year, first European Central Bank news item, the first Bank of England interest rate decision, and alongside that, the typical first of month capital flows that you get moving into the month of February, which can again provide you with some massive opportunities to capitalize on the current bull run we're seeing right now for commodities. Everything that we talked you through previously, the Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Citigroup, they've been preparing their clients since last year for massive inflows into commodities. We've seen that play out in a big way with China reopening, and we've seen the subsequent demand here in a big way for energies. Again, with crude oil breaking out above $82 per barrel. We've seen the same with gold breaking out to the highest level in 9 months. So if you're not making money in the markets right now, you absolutely should be, to be benefiting from the current moves that we're seeing in commodities right now in 2023. It's the age of data. You want to definitely be ditching those outdated technical analysis strategies or gimmicky technical indicators. If you find yourself sitting on capital right now, wondering when the best time to get into the markets this is where you do require more data, statistics, market intelligence to help you understand the cycles in capital flows in the markets, more specifically for commodities, learning the daily, the weekly, the monthly and quarterly real-time data-driven cycles for each commodity, further compounding that with the key areas of liquidity in the markets, the capital flows, alongside that, the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, the key narratives, the fundamentals, the geopolitics, and then further aligning that with how the hedge funds, money managers, banks, and institutions are positioned in the markets in real time. That's going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of professional traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to join our professional mentorship program.